Meet the team. I'm Mohammad Charisman.
I am Siti Nur Era.
And I'm Elhanan James.
So we are going to give an explanation to the reason of separation of powers, referring on syllabus of Political Science of Public Administration 120.
Well, what is the separation of power?
Separation in these terms means dividend or breaking into several units of department groups or categories in the organizations or government. While power is the ability to influence people or control over something for the constitutional power and authority.
The separation of power consists of three bodies, which is the legislative, the executive, and the judicial body.
By the way, who introduced the separation of power concept?
This concept was introduced by a Greek philosopher called Montesquieu in 1748. Montesquieu has described the separation between legislative, executive, and judicial. It is to prevent the monarch to excessively centralize all its power, whereby the consumption of power must be limited and controlled.
Other philosophers that agree with the concept of separation power is by John Locke from United Kingdom in his book Two Treatises on Civil Government in 1689. John Locke has criticized about the power of the king that given. Power and state must be divided into three parts, which is legislative, executive, and judicial body.
Next, Aristotle claimed that a man should not desire to hold power with an eye to his personal gain. Power state is not a single entity, but a composite of different government functions with its different responsibilities and powers. By the way, the single form of government was unstable, which would leading to a permanent disaster by those tyrannical government, like was happened back then in Hitler's era.
But why does this separation of power need to be applied? Well, let us proceed to the explanation.
Created using Powtoon.